Hello everyone, I just wanted to share a thought with you guys today. Um, Considering whatever is happening right now around us, I feel we all are being called upon to look within ourselves and figure out कि कहाँ पर खुद को बेटर करने की या खुद के लाइफ सिचुएशंस को इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल शायद जिन लोगों से हम इंटरेक्ट करना पसंद नहीं करते थे, अभी शायद उन्हीं के साथ वी हैव टू स्टे 24/7. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम दैट वी पुट थिंग्स अक्रॉस द टेबल विद देम एंड सिट एंड डिस्कस that how we can really make this relationship probably or achieve a particular thing in a much better way. We can sit and plan of how we wish to improve and how we want to grow in our life. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ग्रोथ ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इट्स नॉट जस्ट रिलेटेड टू मनी, राइट? कि मैं कितना पैसा कमाती हूँ और कितना ग्रो कर चुकी हूँ लाइफ में इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. रादर आई फील ग्रोथ इज़ वेर यू एक्चुअली फील पुश्ड every single day of your life to do something better in your life, not just for yourself but for people around you, for the society. हम सिर्फ खुद का लाइफ सेटल करने में ही पूरी ज़िंदगी बिता देते हैं. सो वी हैव सम सेट रूल्स ऑफ हाउ वी आर सपोज टू लिव आवर लाइफ, कि इतने इतने टाइम में ये इतना इतना स्कूलिंग होना चाहिए, इतना इतना पढ़ाई कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. देन उसके बाद फिर यू हैव टू गेट अ जॉब, देन यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव ऑन द जॉब and that improvement is never ending. So we are running behind something and we don't know what we are running behind. So it's endless. So I feel we all need to take this pause so that it helps us to refresh our mindset, to work on our belief systems कि क्या है exactly deep rooted मेरे thoughts क्या है, where my fear comes from. Do I really feel grateful towards the life that I have? Am I really satisfied with whatever I have in my life? It's more like we want something always. So am I really happy and satisfied with what I really have right now? The moment you start being happy with what you are and what you have, you actually start manifesting good opportunities in your life. सी इट्स मोर लाइक कि अगर मैं खुश नहीं हूँ जो मेरे लाइफ में है उससे, तो दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम सेंडिंग आउट ऑल द टाइम. सो आई एम ईदर फील दैट आई लैक समथिंग और आई फील दैट आई डोंट डिज़र्व समथिंग. So when I really feel happy about myself and my life, I start attracting good opportunities, good people, healthy relationships in my life. तो ये हमें इस पॉज के दरमियान सोचने की ज़रूरत है कि what is it that I really want in my life? Why am I here on this earth? Is it just to do this 9 to 5 job that we all are doing? Is it just to earn money and do nothing out of it? मतलब मैं 2 लाख रुपए महीने कमा कर भी खुश नहीं हूँ, तो मैं क्यों खुश नहीं हूँ, ये मुझे सोचने की ज़रूरत है. एंड आई फील कि ऑल द स्ट्रैटा ऑफ सोसाइटी is put on halt for the same reason that you actually look at the things that need to be repaired within you, in your environment, in your home life. So I feel we need to look at this as an opportunity to work on ourselves rather than looking at it as a curse कि ये क्या है, सब बंद हो गया है and nothing is operating and we don't get anything. I think everyone is getting enough of food, everyone is getting enough of water, everyone has a shelter, everyone has enough money for everything in their life. It's like an idea कि I always tell my clients or my seminar people कि perception is what matters. कि 1 रुपया कमाने के लिए भी उतना ही टाइम लगता है और 1 करोड़ कमाने के लिए भी उतना ही टाइम लगता है. इट्स हाउ आई लुक एट इट. इफ़ आई लुक एट इट कि 1 रुपया कमाने के लिए 2 सेकेंड लगते हैं और 1 करोड़ कमाने के लिए शायद 50 साल लग जाएंगे, तो वो उतने ही टाइम में होने वाला है. So I feel we all need to think about these perceptions that we have built up. We all need to think about the belief systems that we have built up. And based on that, we need to really change all these things. शायद हमें हमारा ईगो साइड में रख के कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स को नए तरीके से देखने की ज़रूरत है. We all need to, you know, bring in that spark in our heart, in our life, in our relationships. We need to be alive, really alive, and not just exist in this world anymore, right? There is no point in just walking like a zombie. So a zombie is the one who is alive, but it's still dead inside, right? So let's not be walking talking zombies and utilize this time as efficiently as we can, instead of cribbing about how things are not working right. I feel a lot of other things are going as they're supposed to go, and I think we all needed this pause in our life so that we really can look at things from a different perspective. So think about it, and do let me know what are your views on that.